To my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review slash new product that you need to go get ASAP. Okay, so I have not done a wig review in so long, but thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, we are going to be talking about this wig that I have on right now, as well as this new product that is going to help you guys with the lace and help it to look like this. You feel me? Like, get into it. Get into it. Like, y'all know I don't even be wearing wigs like that, but I did this, okay? I did this. Like, look at it, y'all. What? Let me get closer because no games, okay? Yes, y'all, it looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do a voiceover of me just like unboxing the unit and you know how you use the new product, putting on the wig and everything, and then we'll do final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into this wig review. So this unit is Sheree. It's by the Stylist. It's in the color 1B, and this is a 13x6 pre-plucked unit. So you do get that big parting space in the middle and then the lace from ear to ear. So this unit does come as a right side part, but because you have that big space in the middle, you can pretty much do a middle part or a left part if you want to change it. I did not change it, so I'm not quite sure how the bang would flip if you wanted to do a left side part, but I'm sure it'll work if you do a middle or you keep it as a right side part. So I like to spray the inside of my units with the Eben lace tint. Absolutely love this, especially for synthetic units. It is just so easy to use. So I spray that on the inside first to make it a neutral color, and then I went ahead and started the product. A new product by Samsbeauty. It's called the Silicone Lace Melting Tape, and this is in the color clear. It says lace wig grids and not eraser. So what it's supposed to do is basically work on any type of lace wig, whether you have HD lace, Swiss, transparent. It's supposed to be a strong hold. It doesn't move around. Even if you get hot or sweaty, it basically looks undetectable, and you can wash it and reuse it 2 to 3 times. So it's skin-like, ultra thin, reusable, breathable, non-slip, durable. You don't need a wig cap, and it is sweat resistant. So I did wear a wig cap with this. I always wear a black wig cap with my wigs, but as you guys can see, once I basically cut it to the right length and just applied it to the inside of the wig, it just kind of stuck in place, but I tried to remove it after, and it does come off super easy. So it's not going to damage the lace to your wigs or anything, so you definitely can reuse it more than once. So it basically works to just lessen the appearance of your knots when you use it in combination with your powder or concealer, and honestly, you guys, it did just that. Like, once I put it on and used a little bit of the Got2b spray and just kind of held it down in the middle, you guys, the part looks so good. So honestly, I highly recommend this product, and it does come in 2 colors, clear and neutral. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do final thoughts for this unit. So let me go ahead and just tell y'all a little bit about the construction, cap size, and all that stuff. So the texture of the hair is definitely on the silky side. It's definitely a silky unit. It's not really like thick, full, like yucky texture, but it is very, very soft. I really like how it's like really soft, you guys. Like, it's so nice. It's lightweight. The cap size is definitely medium to small. Okay, so if you have a big head, you'll be able to get it on. As you guys can see, I have it on my head, but definitely like small. This is definitely for smaller heads, girls with less hair, because I don't even want to show y'all what's going on this side, because like none of this part of my hair is covered by the unit. That's how small the cap is. I feel like going this way, it's like fine, but the ear tabs they're not near my ears, okay? So yeah, I definitely needed a little bit more space, but it's not really tight on my head. It's just that it's just not enough, like in this area. So of course I'm not using the adjustable straps. I never do, girl. Big head, lot of hair, I don't need that. But if you have a smaller head, this one is going to be absolutely perfect for you. Now let's talk a little bit about this tape. Okay, this silicone tape. Like, I think that it's a game changer. Okay, you guys can see here, I'm not even really like into wigs. Like, I like wigs, I think they're fun, but I'm not like a wig girl. You guys know on my channel, I pretty much do crochet braids and like, you know, regular braids, twists and stuff like that. I don't really do too many wigs, and I feel like I did this, okay? Like, I did this. Like, it looks really good. So basically what I did was, you guys saw, I put the tape on the inside, and I don't know if I already mentioned or not, but the tape comes in 2 colors. So I have the clear one, but it also comes in a neutral. I don't know if it's called neutral or tan, but basically like a colored version. So it comes in both of those. So what I did was basically spray the inside with the lace tint, and then I put the clear tape on it. And the best thing about this is that it's removable. So if you get both colors, you can actually take like the clear off and then try out like the neutral tan looking color and see which one you think gives you a better result. I went ahead and got the clear because I knew I was gonna do the lace tint spray on the inside. So I was kind of like, well, if I spray the inside, like, do I really want to get the neutral? Like, wouldn't it just make sense to get clear so like you can still see through to the tinted spray? Like, I don't know, that was my logic, but I feel like the product is like inexpensive, so you could definitely get both and then just test out which one you like. It's definitely super easy to work with, so I highly recommend it, girl. Like, when I first put it on, I was kind of like, do I really see a difference? But I did try the unit on before I put the tape just to see what it looked like. And then after I put the tape, I was kind of like looking at it like, okay, like I don't really see much of a difference. And then I put it on my head and I was like, oh. Oh, like I see what it's giving. I see what it's giving. So yeah, I recommend it. I recommend it. I feel like it's a great product. It's inexpensive. It's like, why not just give it a try and see, you know, how it works for you. I have not seen a product like this from anyone else. I don't know if Samsbeauty is like the first company to come out with something like this, or if other companies have this and I'm just late to the game because I don't really be all into the wigs. But girl, let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever tried a product like this, or if you haven't, would you be willing to try this one? Like, do you think this is a good idea? What, I mean, girl, looking at it, it's like, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. Like, I just feel like it looks so good. I keep looking at it in the viewfinder and I'm just like, yes, yes. Like, and I only just sprayed down, I guess, just this section of the wig with just the got to be spray, and then just kind of like tuck this part behind my ear, laid my little sideburn and this little piece of my edges right here, and girl, that's it. We're good to go. So y'all let me know what y'all think of this wig down below. Let me know what you think of this new silicone tape. Do you think it's a game changer? Would you use it? Would you not use it? Be sure to let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give the video a thumbs up so your post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.